Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Legend of YMIR. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. So the first step is to open Windows settings. On the left, click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down. Under Advanced option, click on More Sound Settings. And here select the default sound device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. And then go to the Spatial Sound tab, and here from the dropdown select Off. And after selecting Off, hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your sound problem has been fixed or not. If not, and if Spatial Sound is already set to Off, then from the dropdown here select Windows Sonic for headphones. Then hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Legend of YMIR game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speaker to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3 is to steps to fix audio problem in Legend of YMIR if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on Apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. And the fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in the game Legend of YMIR. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.